Good morning. Happy New Year. This is the Great Basin Prescribed Fire briefing for Wednesday, January 3rd. On the prescribed fire map, just a few small projects going on. You can see them by the purple circles. A little tenth of an acre fire reported just outside of Vegas. It has been a dry week. You can see on the left-hand side barely any precipitation, near 0%, where you see that dark red. Our snow cover and snowpack also taking a hit. You see here on the left-hand side some moderate amounts in the higher elevations of the central Idaho mountains, western Wyoming, here in the Wasatch, but hurting overall. We'll look at the numbers in a second. There is a next upcoming storm system. You see these golden areas, a foot of snow or more has occurred up in the Sierra into parts of northern Nevada. This is moving eastwards. 100-hour fuels quite moist in most areas, especially in the west with that next storm system, but they've dried out quite a bit elsewhere. Our snowpack, a lot of areas between 25 and 50% of normal. Some of the higher amounts here up in the northern Wasatch, where things are 80 to 94% of normal, but otherwise quite dry. To be expected in the north in an El Nino pattern, but not so much in the south. But things are changing as we have a strong storm system. You see here with abundant moisture pushing out of the Sierra and into Nevada now. This will overspread the Great Basin today, and that's just one in a series of storm systems expected over the next 7 days. So here is our map for later this afternoon. You see the area in green here, clouds and precipitation covering much of the Great Basin from west to east. We start seeing improvement in our overall dispersion, areas in the white and yellow improving from south to north. You can see the relative humidity levels here pretty high in most areas, driest in the south and east. Winds starting to pick up a little bit at the surface. Transport winds here on the left definitely picking up. Mixing heights also a couple thousand feet above ground level, especially in western areas. Now we see a big improvement here on the right in the overall dispersion in the white. That's with that storm system now departing the eastern Great Basin. High humidity levels in just about all areas. Still some good surface winds, even stronger transport winds of 20, 30, even 40 miles an hour. Mixing heights going up. And you can see that Friday, another storm system coming in. See the area in green through here. Definitely pretty good overall dispersion areas in the white. Same story in the humidity. High humidity above 60% in most areas, except down in Vegas, down below 30%. We'll see some surface winds picking up here, again, strongest in the western Great Basin and in parts of the Wasatch. Very strong transport winds with that next storm system in the western Great Basin. Mixing heights looking good. 3-day precipitation totals, light to moderate amounts covering much of the Great Basin. This will start adding to the snowpack. Now we get into a stormy pattern this week and a stronger storm system pushing in Saturday into Sunday. You can see areas in the white here just really cleaning out the air, but moderate to locally heavy precipitation. That storm system moves out Monday. The next one, a bit of a weaker one, be on its heels, but then another stronger one combines with it out of British Columbia on Tuesday. And the middle of next week could be quite stormy across the area. This is the precipitation Saturday morning through Monday morning, widespread, and then that next storm system coming in Monday through Wednesday. And a lot of this stuff up here in Idaho and in the northern Rockies will drop further south. These are our 7-day totals. We haven't seen precipitation for quite some time. This is good news. And the 8 to 14-day outlook continues to show stormy weather here on the right, above normal precipitation and cooler than normal temperatures. So big change in the weather pattern coming up. That concludes our briefing. Next one will be Friday. We'll continue these Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, except for holidays. Have a great day.